Hello everyone from Tony the Scout Ghost. So we're going to examine today the small package sent by VRRock, a Chinese company working with add-ons for Quest, and especially these should be some anti-blue light lenses for the Quest. So let's open it together and let's analyze how they are. Okay, so let's try to open this small box. It's small but quite resistant, so I will try to do my best. Okay, and opening the pluriball, there is another pluriball, and inside the pluriball there is a very small container. It's rigid but made of fabric, so let's open it. There is not other pluriball inside. There is this, little container with the two lenses. I guess maybe there is a way to open it, but probably the best I can do is cutting it, probably. Yes, this is not good plastic. So, voila. Here you are, the anti-blue lenses, and actually they are magnetic. So I'm still to wonder why they are true. I have to look at the setup instructions, but I guess maybe one has to be put on the lens and the other is the magnetic add-on. And you see there is, let me see if I can show you. It's quite hard to focus on this little detail, but there is letter R for right in this and the left L on the other one. And yeah, it's reflective and this is a hole. So yeah, I guess this one goes around the lens and this one goes on to install the add-on. So it seems pretty cool. I have to test it. This unboxing was quite easy. I can't comment it. I can say this is quite nice as the case to carry them around. This plastic was meh, not that great. But let's see how this turned out to be. So finish off unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is the case, please like and subscribe. Have a great day in VR. Bye bye.